To troubleshoot an AwardWallet link to an airline account, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the correct login credentials for your airline account, including your username and password. If you are unsure, try logging in directly to the airline's website to verify your credentials. Next, check that your airline account is linked correctly to AwardWallet. Log into your AwardWallet account and navigate to the Linked Accounts section. Look for the airline account you are trying to troubleshoot and verify that the account is listed and the status shows as connected. If the account is not listed or the status shows as disconnected, try relinking the account. To do this, click on the Add Account button and select the airline from the list of available airlines. Enter your airline account login credentials and follow the prompts to complete the linking process. If you are still having trouble, check the AwardWallet website for any known issues or outages that may be affecting the linking process. You can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies, as this can sometimes resolve linking issues. Additionally, ensure that your airline account is eligible for linking to AwardWallet. Some airlines have specific requirements or restrictions for linking accounts, so check the airline's website for more information. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact AwardWallet support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on linking your airline account. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with linking your airline account to AwardWallet. Remember to always keep your login credentials secure and up to date to ensure seamless linking and tracking of your airline accounts.